again, Tiger Travel Walks. It's been a while since before I finished the last day of quarantine in Bangkok. A month ago, and then now I'm in my hometown, Chiangmai, Thailand. So this call like where I living, just like lots of doves, birds, and the chickens voice. You will hear the voice all the time, and I hope this is not disturbing you, but anyway, I get used to it because I'm grown up here, so I live with it every day. For today, I come back again because I want to talk about the nature life and the north of Thailand, like Chiang Mai. This my hometown city, and I love it. I love my hometown. I love the nature. I love the mountain. I'm a mountain girl. So last week I have been visit one beautiful nature place. Right. Okay. It's called Chiang Dao Mountain. Chiang Dao is one of the third biggest mountain in Thailand, in the north of Chiang Mai. So the place that I recommend and I want to talk about it today is called Chiang Dao, or in Thai called Ton Khao Hom Ban Om Doi. It's run by the Thai couples that looking for the nature to live peaceful life and retire beautiful life above on the valley. Yeah, Piton tell me about he have fall in love with the culture, the nature, and the lifestyle of the local people here. That's why they come back again and want to retire here. And finally, they found this place. It's the rice field, the farm, with the huge, beautiful mountain view. Piton and Piom, the owner of this farm stay called Chiang Dao. This farm, there is 5 bungalow, and you can stay in live with the nature, right? And this farm, this place, the plant, everything is organic. If you're looking for organic life and want to stay relaxed and peace your mind and set up your mindset again, just like when I'm living there, I just want to set up my mind and chill and isolate myself from the world and everything, create my art thing, the project, the photography, that what I want to work for in the next step. So it's so peaceful. I can just sitting there in their cafe and look to the mountain, the big mountain, the Chiang Dao Mountain, for all days. I don't need to get up and go anywhere, just sitting there thinking about my work and look, breathe, listen to the nature, and my God, it's beautiful. It's so beautiful there. Anyway, so let's go back to Chiang Dao. Chiang Dao Mountain is the third biggest mountain in Thailand, in the north of Chiang Mai. Limestone peak reaching a height of 2,186 meters. Chiang Dao is covered by fog most of the years, and the temperature is also very cool, especially in the winter. It's just like very fresh and a little cold up there with a beautiful atmosphere. Yeah. How you can get there? You can take the bus There is from Chiang Mai to Chiang Dao every half hour, like all day since from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. It's called Tha Ton bus. This orange color bus. So you can take that bus at the bus station to go to the north, and they will stop there about 40 minutes. Every 40 minutes, so you guys can take the bus there, and the ticket is just only 40 baht. Taximeter. You can take the taximeter from Chiang Mai town to Chiang Dao. It takes you about 1,200 to 1,500 baht. And if you drive yourself from Chiang Mai to Chiang Dao, it takes about 1 to 1.5 hours. Or if you want to drive from Bangkok to Chiang Dao, it takes about how far is just like 7. I have to read on my laptop. 786 kilometers. It takes about 10.5 hours from Bangkok to Chiang Dao. What is in there? There in Chiang Dao, there is just like really natural. The green, the mountain, the track. If you want to go to hike in the mountain, you can stay there for one night. But you have to hide the stuff like I'm not sure what it's called. It's military who work with that national. It's the national park of Chiang Dao, right? They can take you to the mountain and stay there with you for one night because you don't want to get lost. It's a huge mountain. Every year the track will open from November until late February. Every year, so you can stay there in the tent for one night and the other and come back down. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to visit Chiang Mai, our place, and also visit Chiang Dao. In the next winter, I'm going to create my photography session with Startel at Chiang Dao, above with the view of the mountain. So, and if you guys like to join our camping and stay up in the valley, chill with us and come to join my photography project in the next winter. So bye for now and see you guys in the next my travel walk video. Bye, have a good day.